Hi, this is Jeff with the IT department, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Swivl Robot units that are available for faculty to check out in areas where a camera and a microphone isn't available. So let's go ahead and get started. A swivel unit is basically a robot, automated robot, that will track the instructor as they are speaking. So if you're in a lab or large space where you need to walk about or showcase anything, as long as the robot and the iPad has a clear view, they'll be able to track you and follow you throughout your class, so you're able to present as if you were in person in a hybrid classroom situation. So these Swivl Robot units are available for locations where you are teaching, where a webcam and microphone isn't available. And you can always check the Smart Classroom page on the AV website. I have a URL here for you for your reference. Now, swivel units and the robots utilize an iPad to broadcast your Zoom session and provide you a hands-free camera panning along with excellent audio within a quick setup. So what's included with a swivel unit when you check it out? So a swivel unit will include the robot. You'll notice that the marker, which is also the microphone and a remote, is a lanyard which would be on the instructor's person, generally around their neck, so the robot can track their movements as they're walking about. This comes with a charging station along with a cable that connects to an iPad. This unit includes an iPad with a charger, a carrying case for all the equipment along with a stand that you can set up in a classroom, a swivel user guide document that's enclosed in the case so you can easily reference setup as well, a microphone stand that allows you to place the speakers on it as you are broadcasting, a pair of Logitech USB speakers that plug directly into the robot unit. This will allow you to hear the Zoom participants when you're in your classroom teaching. And it also includes a charger with USB charging ports. It is recommended that you have the iPad and the swivel robot along with the marker fully charged before you use it in a classroom. You'll see that you won't need any type of power if it's fully charged in your class. From this example with an Ackerman 208, you'll notice that the swivel unit has been set up with the iPad docked into the robot and the microphone stand set up for the speaker so you're able to hear your participants that are connecting remotely. You'll notice that there is no power coming out of the swivel robot or the iPad. It's completely wireless as long as you have both units set up and charged. You can undock the marker, which is also your microphone and your remote for the unit. You'll notice the charging ports here, power, and a stop and start to record. To power on this unit, simply press the power button here, and you'll notice as the robot starts to initiate. You'll also want to make sure that you turn on the marker for the camera, and you'll notice as I move, this will move with me. As you turn on the iPad, you'll notice that it'll want to communicate with the swivel robot. You want to state allow, and you can see that it's connected to it. It'll tell you how much recording time you have. It'll also give you a link to your Zoom. So all you have to do is connect to your Zoom session. You'll see now that I'm logged into my Zoom session and I'm able to start broadcasting. As I demonstrate the lanyard, you'll notice as I'm walking around, the camera will follow my movements and actions. We do recommend that you utilize a Google Chromebook for hybrid classrooms for whiteboarding, as viewing whiteboards on an iPad camera isn't easy for people who are in Zoom. Same goes with the projection screens. You also want to be sure that your classroom computer is connected to the Zoom session so you can just share your screen. But as you can see, it has a 360-degree revolution as I walk around. It's tracking me. It is recommended that you give this some time to practice to get set up and orientate yourself with the equipment and understand its capabilities, so you're able to set it up quickly and begin your teaching. Please note, as you're doing a hybrid class, the swivel may be a bit distracting for the students that are in the class as it's tracking your movements as you move about. You can see in this example the robot as it's tracking me as I'm moving about in this video. You can also reference additional swivel training videos on their YouTube channel. The URL is listed here, and this basically just offers additional tutorials and other helpful information to help you get the most out of its use. And if you have any other questions, you can always visit our academic technology page on the IT website or our knowledge base article. You can also email us at helpdesk@eou.edu or give us a call Monday through Friday 8 to 5 at 541-962-3111. Thanks for watching.